let's head over to the Kennedy Space Center to see the launch.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Wow. That's amazing. Falcon 9 traveling fast. So when we first, guys, if you want to see the actual launch, look at the screen. Look at that screen.
Unfortunately, the fog is so thick that we can't see it, but we can definitely hear it. It's a shame we can't see the launch, but it's still an amazing experience to be here and witness the foggy weather.
Well, the good news is if you want to keep your rocket launch secret, wait till it's a foggy day, and you know that that works really well.
Told you!
Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and we hope you enjoyed this little glimpse into our trip. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting space-related content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.